Are you tired of missed appointments, endless back and forth emails, and the constant headache of manual scheduling? What if you could put your booking process on autopilot, reduce no-shows, and free up your time to focus on what you do best? In today's video, we're going to unlock the power of AI to do just that. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best tools and strategies to grow your business. Today, we're diving deep into BookingBee.ai, an incredible AI-powered scheduling tool that's changing the game for service-based businesses. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a BookingBee.ai pro, ready to automate your scheduling and boost your revenue. So, what exactly is BookingBee.ai? It's an intelligent scheduling platform designed for businesses and professionals who rely on appointments. Think salons, consultants, coaches, restaurants, and even freelancers. It goes beyond a simple calendar link. BookingBee.ai uses AI to manage your schedule, send smart reminders, handle payments, and even upsell your services, all automatically. Its core benefits are simple: save time, reduce no-shows, and increase your income. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. First, let's create your account. Head over to BookingBee.ai and click the Sign Up button. You can sign up with your email or connect your Google or Microsoft account for a quicker setup. I recommend using the account tied to your business calendar. This will make syncing your availability much easier later on. Once you've filled in your basic details, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now for step 2, connecting your calendar. On the dashboard, find the Integrations or Connected Calendars section. Click to connect your Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar. Authorize the connection. This is a crucial step. It allows BookingBee.ai to read your existing appointments and block out times you're busy, preventing any double bookings. This is how you create a single source of truth for your availability. Step 3 is setting up your business profile. Navigate to the Settings or Profile area. Here, you'll add your business name, logo, a short description, and your contact information. This information will appear on your booking page, so make it look professional. It's the first impression your clients get, so make it a good one. A complete profile builds trust and credibility. Next up, step 4, defining your business hours. In the Availability or Working Hours section, you can set your general schedule. For example, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also set custom hours for specific days, like if you work half days on Fridays or want to block out a lunch break. This ensures clients can only book you when you're actually available to work. Now, let's create your services. This is step 5 and it's where the magic starts. Go to the Services or Event Types page and click Add New Service. Let's say you're a consultant. You could create a 30-minute discovery call and a 60-minute strategy session for each service. You'll give it a name, a description, set the duration, and a price. You can even set buffer times before and after appointments to give yourself a break or travel time. Step 6 is all about advanced service configuration. When creating a service, look for advanced options. You can assign specific staff members to a service, which is great for teams. You can also set a service to be private, so only people with a direct link can book it. This is perfect for offering special sessions to VIP clients. Moving on to step 7, customizing your booking page. Go to the booking page settings. Here you can customize the look and feel to match your brand. Upload a banner image, choose your brand colors, and write a welcoming introduction. A personalized booking page looks more professional and converts better than a generic one. This is your virtual front desk, so make it inviting. Step 8 is a game changer: automated reminders. Find the Workflows or Automation section. By default, BookingBee.ai usually has email reminders set up, but you can customize them. You can add SMS reminders, which have a much higher open rate and dramatically reduce no-shows. You can set up multiple reminders, for example, one 24 hours before and another 1 hour before the appointment. This simple step can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in lost revenue from no-shows. Let's talk about money. Step 9 is setting up payment integrations. Go to Integrations and connect your Stripe or PayPal account. Once connected, you can require clients to pay in full or make a deposit when they book. This secures the appointment and further reduces the chance of a no-show. For paid consultations or services, this is an absolute must. It streamlines your cash flow and you get paid on time, every time. Step 10. Creating custom intake forms. When a client books, you might need more information from them. In the service settings, look for custom questions or intake form. You can add questions like what are your goals for this session? Or please provide your website URL. This helps you prepare for the meeting and deliver a better service. The information is automatically attached to the calendar event for easy access. Now that everything is set up, let's move to step 11, sharing your booking link. On your dashboard, you'll find your main booking page link. You can also get specific links for each service. Share these links everywhere. Put it in your email signature, on your social media bio, on your website, and even on your business cards. The easier you make it for people to book, the more bookings you'll get. You can also embed your booking page directly onto your website for a seamless user experience. This is step 12, in the Share or Embed section for your booking page, BookingBee.ai will give you a small snippet of code. Just copy and paste this code into your website builder. Whether it's WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix now, clients can book you without ever leaving your site. This looks incredibly professional and boosts conversion rates. Finally, step 13, analyzing your performance. Your BookingBee.ai dashboard has an analytics or reports section. This is your command center. Here you can see how many bookings you've received, your most popular services, your busiest days, and your estimated revenue. Use this data to make smart business decisions. Maybe you'll notice your 60-minute sessions are far more popular and decide to promote them more. Data-driven decisions are key to growth. So, how can different businesses use this? For a hair salon, you can create services for haircut, coloring, and styling, and assign them to different stylists. You can take deposits to prevent no-shows on long appointments. For a restaurant, you can manage table reservations, set limits on party sizes, and even have special event bookings for holidays. For a service business like a plumber or electrician, you can offer booking slots for different types of jobs, like emergency repair or standard installation, and charge accordingly. And for a freelancer, like a writer or designer, you can offer project kickoff calls or design review sessions, ensuring your time is structured and paid for, and that's it. You've gone from a complete beginner to a BookingBee.ai expert. You're now equipped to automate your scheduling, provide a better client experience, and grow your business. The power of AI is at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have a question or a favorite feature? Drop a comment below. And if you're ready to take control of your schedule, go ahead and try BookingBee.ai. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.